If you are searching for apps like CoStar, there is a good chance you want astrology that feels more personal, less feed-driven, and easier to revisit as a ritual. A lot of alternatives still live in the same format: placements, short interpretations, and notification-style engagement. That can be interesting, but it does not always feel immersive. Zodiac.fm takes a different route. It uses your birth information to map your chart and transform that information into a personalized listening experience. The product says it is calculated from more than 248 celestial data points, which helps position it as more than a novelty layer on top of a generic chart. You also get 4 listening modes: core, love, vitality, and abundance, which makes the experience feel more like a daily ritual than a one-time reading. So if you like the idea of astrology apps but want something less text-heavy and more experiential, try Zodiac.fm with the free 5-day trial.